Looking for a chainsaw that's powerful and safe? The Worx 20-volt jaw saw cuts through branches and logs effortlessly with its unique jaw design that prevents kickback and protects your hands. Battery and charger included, it's ready to go straight out of the box. Perfect for yard work, storm cleanup, or firewood. This isn't your average cordless chainsaw. The DEWALT 20-volt max 12-inch chainsaw is compact, easy to handle, and cuts fast, no gas, no cords. Ideal for pruning and quick cuts. Bare tool, only just add your DEWALT 20-volt battery and you're set. Tired of struggling with wheel weights? The CK Auto Balancing Weight Plier is a 3-in-1 tool that lets you hammer, remove, and crimp weights like a pro. Solid grip, rugged design, perfect for auto shops or home garages. It makes wheel balancing fast and simple, a must-have for any mechanic. This beast is built for serious woodworkers. The Jet 16x40-inch EVS lathe gives you variable speed control, rock-solid stability, and plenty of room to turn large projects. From bowls to furniture legs, it handles it all with precision. Power, control, and quality in one professional tool. Heavy-duty wire crimping made easy. The AMZ CNC Hammer Lug Crimper delivers clean, tight crimps on battery and welding cables from 8 AWG to 40 gauge. Just place your lug, strike, and done. Perfect for auto, solar, or shop wiring. Built tough for real jobs. Looking for an all-in-one networking tool? The Klein Tools VDV 226-110 does it all: crimp, strip, and cut data cables with pro-level precision. Compatible with RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 pass-through connectors. Durable. Ratcheting action equals clean connections every time. A must-have for techs and installers. Dull blades? Fix them in minutes. This 5-piece blade sharpener kit attaches to any drill and gives your lawnmower or garden tools a sharp, clean edge. Quick, easy, and way cheaper than replacing blades. Keep your tools razor sharp season after season. Cut your lawn with zero noise or gas. The Worx 40-volt cordless lawn mower is compact, quiet, and ideal for small yards. Adjustable height, 2-in-1 mulching or bagging, and comes with 2 batteries plus charger. Lightweight, easy to store, and it just works. Smart, clean mowing done right. Slice through sheet metal like butter. This air cut-off tool packs real power for cutting metal, bolts, and exhausts. Comes with 5 grinding wheels and fits perfectly in tight spots. Built for pros, garages, and workshop warriors. Clean cuts, no sparks, no fuss. Turn your drill into a precision metal shear. The DEWALT Shear cuts through 18-gauge sheet metal cleanly and easily. With a 360-degree pivoting head, you can work around corners and tight angles with total control. Perfect for ductwork, roofing, and custom fabrication. Compact, tough, DEWALT strong. Precision sanding, anytime, anywhere. The Proxxon BSA cordless belt sander is perfect for tight spaces, fine work, and detailed finishing. Lightweight, portable, and powered by a strong lithium-ion battery, great for woodworking, model making, or metal polishing. Comes with battery plus charger, built for pros on the go. Don't let the wilderness slow you down. The Boreal 21 folding bow saw unfolds in seconds, locks tight, and slices through branches with ease. 21-inch all-purpose blade, strong frame, and packs flat in your bag. Perfect for camping, hiking, or bushcraft. Rugged, reliable, ready for the wild. Rip out brush with one hand and no mercy. The Brush Grubber single-person weeder grabs stems up to 8 inches wide with spring-loaded jaws and 5 gripping teeth. No need for chemicals, just clamp, pull, and clear your land fast. Garden cleanup just got serious. Take control of your yard with raw power. The Milwaukee M18 string trimmer delivers up to 1 hour of runtime with a brushless motor that cuts thick grass like butter. Variable speed, ergonomic grip, and quick load head. Battery plus charger included, just grab and go. M18 power where you need it. Precision cuts with no mess. The Montelite 63 P3 is a pro-grade tile cutter made for clean, exact scoring and snapping up to 24 inches. Built-in support arms, ergonomic handle, and no electricity needed. Perfect for ceramic, porcelain, and hard tile jobs. Trusted by tile pros worldwide. Secure your work like a pro. The Kreg Bench Clamp with base locks your materials tight for drilling, sanding, or routing. Swivels anywhere on your bench and adjusts in seconds. Perfect for woodworkers, DIYers, and makers who want stability without a vise. Grip, lock, build. Turn your chainsaw into a log debarker. This chainsaw attachment strips bark fast and clean with 6 razor-sharp blades. Ideal for prepping logs for timber, carving, or furniture. Includes gloves, so you're safe while you power through wood. Game changer for timber work. Tough jobs need tougher sockets. The Woodworking Impaktor set is built to handle high-torque impact wrenches without cracking. Perfect for wheels, lug nuts, and mechanics who don't mess around. Slim, tough, and coated for maximum durability. When precision meets power, protect your hands without losing grip. The Nocry Gloves offer level 5 cut resistance in a flexible, food-grade design. Great for slicing, woodworking, or sharp tool handling. Comfortable, ambidextrous, and machine washable. Safety meets comfort, no compromise. Small but genius. The Hazet Magnetizer tool lets you instantly magnetize your screwdrivers, bits, or tools, or remove it when needed. Shaped like the Hazet logo, it's durable, compact, and fits in any toolbox. Never drop a screw again. Tired of air compressors and tangled hoses? The Worx Nitro 20-volt brad nailer fires up to 80 nails per minute. Fast, cordless, and smooth. Anti-ejection system and tool-free jam release make every job cleaner. Perfect for trim, framing, or repairs. Battery-powered freedom. Finish fast. The future of measuring is here. The Prexiso 2-in-1 combines a 135-foot laser with a 16-foot magnetic tape, so you can measure anything accurately and fast. It's rechargeable, compact, and smart enough for volume, area, and Pythagorean functions. Pro results in your pocket. Heavy-duty cutting, meet portability. The DEWALT 10-inch table saw has a 32.5-inch rip capacity, precision fence system, and a rolling stand for easy transport. Powerful, accurate, and rock-solid. It's a favorite for contractors and serious DIYers. Built to cut, made to move. Need to move tools like a boss? The Craftsman 19-inch rolling toolbox gives you 3 stackable sections, big wheels, and a lockable top for security. It's tough, compact, and perfect for job sites or home garages. Roll out fully loaded. Lightweight, powerful, German precision. The Festool CXS 18-volt drill gives you smooth control, 4.0 amp-hour battery, and a unique right-angle adapter for tight spaces. It's ergonomic, compact, and built for pro-level precision. One of the smartest drills in the game. Precision meets rugged design. The OX P5O2901 laser level projects a bright green beam for better visibility indoors and out. Auto self-leveling with tilt mode, plus IP65 rated for dust and water resistance. Perfect for pros who need reliable, level lines, fast, accurate, durable, built for the job site. Say goodbye to manual ratchets. The Milwaukee M12 3/8 ratchet delivers up to 35 foot-pounds of torque at 250 RPM with a variable speed trigger for total control. Lightweight, compact, and perfect for tight spaces. Powered precision in your palm. Cut wood, PVC, and metal like a pro. This cordless jig saw delivers 2,900 RPM, a 3-position orbital action, and bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. Built-in LED light, variable speed trigger, made for detail and performance. One saw. Endless creativity. Clean like a pro, on your terms. This 350-watt stick vacuum works with Milwaukee M18 batteries and hits up to 35 kilopascals suction with 3 speed modes. Lightweight, 6-in-1 design, HEPA filter, and perfect for floor, carpet, or your car. Power plus portability in one vacuum. Big power, small package. This 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw fits Milwaukee M18 batteries and cuts wood, brush, and limbs with ease. Auto oiler, safety lock, and lightweight for one-handed use. Handy, fast, and built to cut.